Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the YoyoFactory Loop 808s. These yo-yos are like, I think they're basically like prototypes, but they're my favorite looping yo-yo for anything. I like these ones more than my Loop 2020s because they're just, I don't know, I think I might have just started out with a Loop 360 kind of thing, and I just can hit like everything with them. And these yo-yos, I think, eventually evolved into the Loop 360s, so that's where these came from. Both of these yo-yos were $10 on YoyoFactory.com because they were part of the Loop 2020 club. And yeah, they have some pretty sick colorways. I like this one the best. It's usually my right-handed one, but I'm switching it up. You can hit a bunch of your looping tricks on here, like Milk the Cow. I don't really think that was good, but yeah, these are one of my favorite ones, and I think they're someone's signature yo-yos. These are really good if that's what you're gonna like get for looping. If you started with the 360s, these ones, I don't know, I just like the feel of these ones. I'm not really good two-handed, but ooh, that was pretty good. I mean, these are really good yo-yos in general. If you're good at two-handed looping, these are really good. Because if I can do good with them, then so can you. But like in general, these are just good yo-yos for looping, and for like it's pretty good for arm wraps and leg wraps and leg wrap. These yo-yos are all around really good. And I will have an Arrow review coming up soon, so if you've heard any news about that, it's like a really good plastic kind of yo-yo. You can go responsive and unresponsive with it, and it's an all-around good yo-yo. It's extremely light, almost way too light, but it's fun. And you can see it sleeps long, so I can do the cowboy trick. Shooting the moon. Oh. Yeah, see, these are good ones. If you're gonna get a yo-yo, search for these on like, I don't know, I think they're kind of old, so maybe like Yo-Yo Replay, but they're fairly cheap and great yo-yos. I can hit all of my one-handed tricks on them, like double stall, and regular stall. And I showed you the cowboy trick, but cowboy, regular one-handed loops and two-handed loops. Kind of. Arm wraps. And leg wraps. If you want any tutorials on any of these one-handed looping tricks, just leave them in the comments below, or say the leg one or the arm one or something, just to signal to me that you want to learn one of these tricks. But anyways, thank you all for tuning in. See you in the next one.